Your Wrapmaster has always been a reliable part of your kitchen, but what happens when it's time for a replacement? Introducing the Wrapmaster Return to Recycle program. Working in partnership with SUEZ Recycling and Recovery UK, we take your end-of-life Wrapmaster dispensers and even dispensers from other brands and give them a new purpose. They're transformed into new products like washing machines, dishwashers and fridges, contributing to a more circular future. And with every dispenser you recycle, no matter what the brand, you'll also get a voucher for a free new Wrapmaster dispenser, making it easy to upgrade your kitchen while doing your part for the environment. It couldn't be simpler to participate. Here's how it works. 1. Complete our quick online form. 2. Get a prepaid postage label from our customer service team. 3. Pack up your dispenser and drop off using the specified courier service. Once received, our team will email you a voucher. You can then redeem your vouchers with any participating Wrapmaster distributor. From there, the recycling process begins. Returned dispensers are shredded, cleaned, and separated into polymers and metals. Once these have been reprocessed, they're sent to UK and EU manufacturers for use in the creation of new products. The recycling process is certified by SUEZ Recycling and Recovery UK, giving you confidence that your dispensers are recycled responsibly. Together, we're helping to close the loop on waste and making kitchens more sustainable. It's all part of our commitment to our 100% circular mission. Wrap, return, recycle, recreate. Building a more sustainable future, one dispenser at a time.